Hello everyone, welcome back to our English grammar lesson. Today we will learn about prepositions. This is part 1 of our lesson. Let us begin. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun and pronoun or another word. Prepositions often tell us where or when something happens. Read this sentence. The book is on the table. On is a preposition. And why prepositions are important? Prepositions help us understand position. Prepositions help us understand time. Prepositions make sentences clear. Common prepositions. Some common prepositions are in, on, at, under, over, behind, between. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place tell us where something is. Examples include in, on, under, behind, next to, between. Read these sentences. The cat is under the chair. The bag is on the table. The ball is between the boxes. Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time tell us when something happens. Common examples are at, on, in. Read these sentences now. Wake up at 6 o'clock. My birthday is on Monday. We go on holiday in July. Let's do a small activity. Choose the correct answer. The class starts -9 o'clock. The correct answer is at. So, prepositions show position, time. They come before a noun or pronoun. In, on, and at are very common prepositions. This was the preposition part 1. In the next lesson, we will learn about prepositions of movement and some common mistakes. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson.